Welcome to SimplyTrends, and let's learn how to use Dashboard View today. Dashboard View gathers all competitors' activities together, which helps you view and focus on tracking competitors' performance of a single or multiple metrics. With Dashboard Customizer, you decide activities present in your dashboard. Dashboard Customizer contains 12 activities for you to view and analyze performance of tracking competitors in one place. Simply choose activities you need in Dashboard Customizer, your dashboard will update and display the latest results. If you are not sure about adding which activities, just hover your mouse on the activity for a brief explanation. You can find activities you select and display them in the top row. Click Hide Table Customizer to make your dashboard organized. Let's have a close look at tracking competitors' performance in product launch, and we can see this Shopify store has just launched 25 new products an hour ago. You can quickly grab changes in competitors' activity easily with Label. Hover on the label, and you will see more info. We use light blue and dark blue to differentiate update time. Dark blue refers to 24-hour activity, while light blue is 7-day activity. Click the block, and you will see more details of 25 just launched products of the day. Scroll, and you will see its product launch history. Let's explore more details by clicking on a block. You can have basic information about launched products, such as product price, product in-store rank, product monthly orders, product monthly revenue, etc. Let's have a quick look at product updates. Once you click an event, you will notice changes and updates on highlighting quickly, while having both previous and current versions in one place for comparison. Besides, in Facebook Ad, you can access and download creatives and texts of competitors' ads. SimplyTrends refreshes the data in 60 seconds, so don't forget to click refresh to have the latest data. If you want to add a new Shopify store to dashboard, just click Follow More Store. You can either search in the pop-up window or find one and explore below and click Follow. Thanks for watching. Find out how to make the best use of SimplyTrends in our tutorial videos.